Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to send blank or empty messages on Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, open your browser. You can use any browser and then type here emptycharacter.com. After visiting this web page, scroll down and here you find method 1. So all you have to do is just tap on copy to clipboard and now open your Viber and open the individual group or chat where you want to send blank or empty messages, and then long press on the typing box and tap on paste and then tap on send. And here you can see I've successfully sent a blank message here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.